Let's check in on Mark and Axel and find out what drives Axel today.
Well, what we're going to talk about today is brake fluid. There are a lot of things that go on with brake fluid over time, and it actually ends up going from, as you can see, it's almost clear is what the brake fluid looks like, but eventually that brake fluid will turn black. And it turns black because it absorbs moisture right out of the air. And you end up with a corrosion problem inside your calipers, inside your wheel cylinders, inside the brake lines. And that's what starts to ruin that brake system, is not changing that brake fluid the way you're supposed to. In this situation, we like to recommend that every 30,000 miles as well. Very important to get that done because it'll cost you a whole lot less in the long run just maintaining your vehicle properly.